Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Jaliza. They did send me this braided wig and I will be installing it with y'all. First of all, y'all, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Not only that, this wig is gluless. So if y'all like to see how I got this easy beginner friendly look, definitely stay tuned, y'all. When I say this wig ate the girls up, did what it's supposed to do, literally, like, yeah, can't go wrong. Definitely go and get this wig, y'all.
I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Wondering why
y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. As y'all seen, I showed y'all all the steps that I did to get this look for this braided wig. When I say real quick, easy install, y'all, definitely a quick, easy install. Also, this wig is glueless. I only sprayed Tresemme hold on it. Inches are 32 inches as well. This wig is definitely long. I did show y'all how the ends came, so you can't curl it. It is up to you. It is not synthetic hair, y'all. When I say 10 out of 10, definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, I don't know what style I'm going for or the look, but y'all can style this any way you want. When I say you got parting all throughout your head, like literally. Y'all, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. I love the extra baby hairs. It makes me look really exotic. It's giving vacation. Like, it's a 10 out of 10. Honestly, truth. I can't say nothing bad about it. Literally, like Jaliza, y'all definitely did y'all thing. Okay, do not play with them. Definitely let them know that I did see you. All the information about this wig will be in the description box below. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did see you. As I mentioned, y'all, everything will be in the description box for this wig. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 54K. We on the road to 100K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop with Jaliza hair.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. That I wasn't going